What's up, Group Home Connect? It's your girl Nicole coming at you today. Listen, I wanted to hop on here to talk about you guys unlicensed group homes. I still get every day, I get people asking me about what is an unlicensed group home, how to get it set up, what type of clients or population can you take, and so I just wanted to talk a little bit about that as far as the unlicensed group homes. What I do like to do is first talk about the difference between the two, between the licensed and the unlicensed group homes, so that you guys have a really good understanding of the licensed and the unlicensed group home. So, of course, when you are licensed, guys, you have to go through your state, okay? You have to fill out the application, you have to get licensed, pay the fee, and get licensed through your state. So there are two types of licensed group homes. One is the private pay, is when you charge the client or the family. Typically, you'd want to get higher paying clients if you're going to do a licensed private pay home, because you do have to have 24-hour staff. So you want to make sure that you can charge at least $35 to $4,000 per person if you are going to do a private pay licensed home. Okay. And that is because you have to provide 24-hour care and also provide payroll and services. All right. So that is the private pay license. If you're going to do a contract license home, contract meaning that you have to, after you get licensed through your state, now you have to get a contract through your state. Okay, so a lot of times you have to wait a long time to get contracted. So you have to find out, as far as in your state, how long it takes for you first to get licensed, and then how long it's going to take for you to get contracted. Okay, so once you become licensed first, and then you can get your contract through your state, and that is when your state pays you for the services. Again, that is 24-hour care. So those two are completely different from unlicensed group homes. So this is what this group is about. Unlicensed group homes are homes that you do not have to be licensed, obviously, and that you are housing people who are independent. So you're housing people who cannot afford to live by themselves, or maybe their record, they can't get an apartment, or get approved for a loan, their credit. So it's different reasons, mentally, physically, why you would house people like this in a unlicensed setting. So an unlicensed setting is independent living. All right, and you really can charge what you want, but typically, if you're going for SSI people, they're usually 940, 980, depending on which state you're in. So you typically don't want to go over $900. If you have SSDI, then perhaps they have more money, and you can kind of charge what they make, or you can charge the same flat rate for everyone. Okay, so unlicensed group home is, again, what we are about here in the Group Home Connect, and what I coach on, and that is for people who are independent, who don't need 24-hour care, who do not need any services or anyone cooking for them, because they typically have to cook their own meals, and they're kind of responsible for themselves. All right, so we're basically providing housing for them in rooms. No, we are not just a room and board. It's much deeper than that. Okay, so I don't want you to think that unlicensed homes are like room and board, because it is and it isn't. So it's a lot more detailed than what we have to do, because we are providers. Okay, so again, you have the private paid license home and the contract license homes. Okay, and then you have unlicensed group homes. So unlicensed group homes is what we do. So again, we provide the homes for them, and we rent out the beds. Okay, we put two beds in a room, and we rent out per bed to people who are independent. So we don't have to go over there every single day. We don't have to worry about staffing issues, and we definitely don't have to worry about payroll. Okay, so that is what the unlicensed group homes are about. All right, so I hope I clarified that for you guys. And If you guys have any questions, you can text Coach Me Now to 248-983-1300. Email is nwilliams@thegroupHomeConnect.com. All right, so again, I wanted you guys, all the emails I get, so I just wanted to explain the difference between licensed private pay, licensed contract, and the unlicensed group homes. All right. Again, this is Nicole. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.